I am Najm PID in Urdu language and literature. I am from Pakistan. I am teaching in local schools Urdu language since 2012. I have almost 13-year teaching experience as well as physical classes and also offline. I have also designed syllabus courses for different classes. Especially, I have designed very interesting and student centered learning course for Urdu beginners. It will help them to ensure learning with modern methodology, and they will learn it in almost less than their thinking time.